Hello everyone, I am Nagesh Kharade. I welcome you all in this video lecture. Friends, in earlier videos we learned simple present tense and its use for telling daily routines and asking questions. In this video we will be learning simple past tense for telling previous routines and asking questions as well. मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण साध्या वर्तमान काळाचा वापर करून आपलं दिनचर्या सांगणे आणि प्रश्न विचारणे हे शिकलो, परंतु या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण साध्या भूतकाळाचा वापर करून आपलं मागील काही दिवसांचे दिनचर्या सांगणं शिकणार आहोत. So first of all you need to remember one thing, that is the structure of simple past tense. It is so easy like the name itself. So the structure is yes, that is subject, V2, that is past form of the verb, and it is followed by O, that is object, and sometimes object can be followed by adverbials. So let us see some of the examples with the help of simple past tense. I, that is subject, uploaded, its V2 form, the main form is upload, and object can be video, and adverbial can be on YouTube. I received an email. She called me yesterday. She sent a message. He celebrated my birthday. And you can tell so many examples with the help of simple past tense. These are the positive sentences, like you told what you did. But we are also supposed to know or supposed to tell negative examples as well, like what you didn't do. तुम्ही काय केलं नाही हे सांगणं सुद्धा गरजेचं आहे. So it has a slight change in the structure. Did not is involved or is included in the structure. And again, V2 is replaced by V1. Did not चा समावेश या ठिकाणी केला गेलेला आहे आणि V2 च्या ऐवजी V1 असणार आहे, कारण did हे ऑलरेडी V2 आहे, म्हणजे पास्ट फॉर्म आहे, त्यामुळे मेन वर्ब म्हणजे मुख्य क्रियापद वापरावं लागणार आहे. Did is already there, it is V2, that is past form. Again, there is no need of using V2 form. There should be or there must be V1 only. So let us see some negative examples. I did not waste my time. I did not disturb her. I did not block you. She did not send a message. So we shall begin with yesterday's routine. So या सर्व गोष्टी ज्या आहेत ते जे आपण केलो आणि जे आपण केलो नाही या संदर्भातले होते. आपण आता आपल्या रूटीन कडे जाणार आहोत, ते पण कालच्या दिवसाच्या रूटीन बद्दल, that is yesterday's routine. So let us start yesterday's routine. As I told you, there should be V2, there should not be any sort of helping verbs, because we are habitual of helping verbs. Whenever we use I, directly we use am. So in simple present and simple past, we should not use am is or any other helping verbs except negative sentences. In terms of negative sentences, in simple present tense we use do and does. In simple past tense we use did for negative sentences only. But in positive sentences, I is followed by, that is V2. In simple past tense, I, that is subject, is followed by V2 only. There is no helping verbs in between the subject and verb. So normally the day begins with waking up, so we shall begin yesterday's routine with waking up. So wake is V1, but we have to use V2 because it is simple past. So I woke up at 6 a.m. After that, I brushed my teeth. Brush, I used to brush. I brushed my teeth. and took shower. Ek is V1, took is V2. Took shower. After that, it is the connector. After that, I had breakfast and a cup of tea. I got ready for the college and went to college at 7 o'clock. I attended all the lectures and returned home at 1 p.m. I got fresh and had lunch. After that, I took rest for some time. I got fresh at 4 p.m. I did study for 2 hours. I had a cup of tea. After that, I watched television for an hour. I spent some time with my family. Again, I watched television for some time and did study for some time. After that, I had dinner with my family. I used mobile for some time and I went to bed at 10 p.m. So this is the way of telling our previous routine. We considered yesterday's routine, so you should tell yesterday's routine in this way. Here I considered a college going student or a school going student. A student may have different routine. The routine of a personal business person may be different. Routine of the police may be different. So you can make some changes as per the person, as per the subject. So this is about telling previous routine. We considered yesterday's routine, right? So now we will be thinking about the routine of special days. Like there is a birthday, which is a trend. Celebrating birthdays has become a trend. So we can consider that. We can also talk about the routine of a festival day. So that can also be told. So आतापर्यंत आपण कालचं दिनचर्या सांगण्यास शिकलो. परंतु आपण एखाद्या सणाचं किंवा वाढदिवसाचं दिनचर्या सुद्धा सांगू शकतो मागे घडलेले. तर त्यासाठी काही वेगवेगळे सेंटेन्सेस त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड होतात, म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये समावेश होतात. There are some special sentences for the special days can be added, okay, in the festive routine or birthday routine. Let us see. So which are these examples? So if you consider birthday, there can be some special sentences like I took blessings from parents, grandparents, and anyone. I wore new clothes. I donated blood. I donated food to needy people. I helped needy people. I celebrated birthday with my family. I celebrated birthday with my friends. I offered a treat to my friends. I offered a treat to my family members. Friends, remember one thing, I am talking about I. So it is first person, because you should know how to tell your routine. Then only you will be able to tell about the routines of others. So if you add these things in the daily routine, like usual routine, yesterday's routine, okay, so you can make the birthday routine. Remember, my friends, simple past tense is the most used tense form. We use simple past tense mostly in our day-to-day life. We talk more about the past, we talk a bit less about the present. Therefore, simple past tense is the most important tense form, and you can express a lot using tense form. So this is all about telling previous routine. In the next video, we'll be learning to tell the routines of your friends or some other people. And after that, we'll be learning how to ask questions with the help of simple past tense. I hope you liked this video, and I also hope that you will practice the things which are told in this video and try to improve your English. I request you to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you very much.